peace without a cause. Sometimes it's just because I think we found it. Oh yeah, we found it.